Welcome back to Fix Me Master. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to minimize all windows at once with a simple shortcut. Let's dive in. Minimizing all windows instantly. If you have multiple windows open and want to quickly get to your desktop, just press Windows D. This will instantly minimize all open windows and take you straight to the desktop. If you press Windows D again, all your windows will come back exactly as they were. Alternative method. Another way is by using Windows M, which also minimizes all windows, but unlike Windows D, this one doesn't restore them when you press it again. Why use this shortcut? Quickly access files or shortcuts on your desktop. Hide your current work for privacy in a shared space. A fast way to declutter your screen without closing anything. And that's how you minimize all windows in an instant. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech tricks. See you in the next one.